Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm's financial education resources. So it's going to be a really quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first step is to go to the Affirm website, and you want to click on financial education. So just log into your account on the website, and once you're logged in, just click on financial education. Next, you're going to browse the available resources. There's articles, videos, and webinars available that you can make use of. So just select the resource that interests you and you can start learning. Now, once you're done with that, you can just review and understand the financial concepts and tips. And you can take quizzes or assessments to test that knowledge and that you have received. Be sure to review and update your financial plans based on the knowledge that you have gotten. And you can contact Affirm's customer support for additional guidance whenever it is you need that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Affirm's financial education resources. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.